Hey you guys, it's Rachel here with Senza Tempo Cane Corso. We are at a local swimming hole here in Central Texas. We've got the whole gang here for the show. As you can see, it's really pretty here. And not many people here because it's a weekday. Hey Blondie. Hey Blondie. Velocity. You can see Blondie's not as, scared or timid today. She's coming out of her shell. She's looking to want to get in the water, want to join in the fun. She's not quite sure how to do it yet. Midnight is well aware of the dangers of water, but hoping that she can navigate to where the other dogs are going. Yeah, see there, she's testing it out. She's learned from her past experiences. She knows that water can be deep. Oh, there's Blondie. Oh, really? Cashmere just pooped in the water. Can you get that, please? Oh my God. I hope I got that on tape. Here, I've got a bag right here.
Taking a rock. Alex, you gotta get it.
Oh my God. Melissa wants to try it. It's in the water. Here's a bag.
Put a rock in it.
No, it's not funny. Wouldn't even know how to.
I can do it.
All right, Savannah's gonna do it. Oh, pretty girl.
Ready?
All right.
Oh no!
Nice. Wow. Good one, Nana Bear. Good one.
No, he tried to.
And you tore the bag. That's one less bag we have. We got another one right here. Here, take that bag.
Right down, 2 more to go.
Seriously, do I need to do this? I think you should do underhand throw.
Fine, underhand, I got it.
Smaller rock.
You see, people, this is the dog poop struggle is real. Underhand, honey, underhand. Like a baseball, like girls baseball. Underhand. There you go. There you go. Blondie. Good girl. Got some joint stick chewing over there. Nothing to bond family like a stick. Those puppies want over there so bad. Let's see if we can get him to go. This is the worst kind of stuff to walk in because it hurts. The rocks hurt, but let's see if they'll come. Midnight. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There's a good girl. Oh, my baby girl. I just love her. Do you see how she didn't hesitate? She trusted me. She knew. She was like, no matter what, my mama wouldn't call me out here if it wasn't safe. And she came right away. That's such a good dog. Such a good dog. Man. Not to toot my own horn or anything. There she is. She's so excited. Finally some water that she can navigate. Oh my gosh, she's so crazy. Yep, that's cashmere for you. Ever heard the saying, throw caution to the wind? Well, that's Cashmere's motto. Oh, good girl, Blondie. Good girl. Good girl. What a good girl. That's her first time in water. Come on. Come over here. Come over here. She went into the deep area too soon. Come on, girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty Blondie. Pretty Blondie. Here's Midnight. Let's see if she'll bring her sister. Sometimes dogs will do that to each other to show each other the way. They'll bring the other one. Keep an eye on them. I think she probably needs to poo. When they go away like that, they usually need to go to the bathroom. Yeah. Some more community stick chewing. Let's see if I can get them to go by the waterfall. Oh gosh. Yeah. Queen of the rocks. Velocity! Good girl. Good girl.
Look at this Midnight also cross.
Oh, yeah. Preacher out there looking for his lost stick. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Oh, Preacher. Oh, God, he found a big stick. Leave it to Preacher. Gotta find a bigger stick. Leave it to Preacher. Hey, sugar. Preacher. Are you a pretty boy? Are you a pretty boy? Preacher, who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Oi! Hello. You're a good boy. Be awesome to get a picture of them on that waterfall. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Who's it Midnight? Who's it Midnight? There's the stick. Let's see. Here, let me see it. Let me see it. Give it to me. Ugh. I got it. Ah, don't you jump on me. Oh, be quiet. Really? Seriously, you're gonna disrespect me like that? Sit down. Cashmere refuses to give up. It's like one way or the other, I'm taking that stick. Don't you get too serious. If they get too serious, I'll get on to them. They've never fought or anything, but like anything, you wanna prevent too high of a intensity. Preacher, shh, give me that stick, boy. Preacher, come now. Now, I said. Preacher, come. Hustle, right here. Preacher, now. You get right here. You sit down. Now. That's right, boy. Where's the stick? Oh, you gave it to her? You better do as you're told. You hear me? Stay. You see me, boy? All right, go. Anyway, y'all have a good day. I'll talk at you later.